I spent $200 on groceries for my daycare and my family for the week. I actually said I wasn't going to go grocery shopping at all because we have so much food in our pantry and freezer that I need to use up. But it is my daughter's birthday this week, so like I needed some stuff for that. So I just ended up doing a grocery pickup order anyway. So here's a little haul. Lots of string cheese. Every year my kids like make a menu for everything they want to eat on their birthday. Oh, why is that like, maybe they just need to be evened out. I think I got gypped on these strawberries. I don't know. It was like this. It was like, these are like half full. I don't know. Anyway, she really wanted strawberries and cucumbers, like for lunch and dinner and breakfast. She loves strawberries and cucumbers. So there's 3 of each in here. And she says that she wants to have it on her party day too. So I'm probably gonna have to go get more. All right, 2 bottles of dishwashing detergent. I got some Roma tomatoes that are actually really big for Roma tomatoes. We're gonna do tacos this week. Chicken legs. This was a request for my daughter's birthday for lunch. My husband asked if I could get a couple things that he could like throw in the air fryer at night if he gets hungry. So I got corn dogs and mozzarella sticks. Those should last a while. I got some checks to make puppy chow for my daughter's birthday and to bring to the hockey tournament next weekend. My daughter is having an art party for her birthday, so I got these 20 canvases. I think there will be 15 kids there if everybody makes it. And I got a bunch of other stuff from Amazon too, so I'll show you that in another video. She wants cheeseburgers for her birthday supper, so I needed to get some more like hamburger pickles. Bananas. Excuse me. My husband loves these Doritos. I actually don't really care for them. Also asked if I would grab him some gummy worms. Oranges. I like want to eat one of these already. They look so good. Cream cheese. Chocolate chips. I think I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies for my son's hockey team for their tournament next weekend. Some mandarin oranges. I saw someone on TikTok use lobster bisque to make like a pasta. And then I found this crawfish tail meat to put in. I don't know. I didn't save the recipe and I actually don't really know what else was in it. I'm just going to be winging it. I thought I remembered there being cherry tomatoes in it. I don't know. And then I got this Red Lobster biscuit mix to make with that. Some lettuce, probably for tacos. Crispy chicken strips, also for my husband to throw in the air fryer if he wants to. Country crock. I love to bake with country crock. Some people don't like that I do that, but I do. I got some ham for sandwiches and sour cream for tacos. And then I need paper plates for my daughter's birthday party, but they got substituted. I picked these for dessert plates. Those are so cute. And then they substituted me, I don't know. So now I like have a bunch of dessert plates and not very many big plates, but I'll figure it out. It's fine. And I think that should do it. $200 that I wasn't going to spend this week, but I did. Maybe next week I'll try to not spend money on groceries and just eat what we have. I just realized I forgot to get milk, and I definitely need milk for daycare tomorrow. So looks like I'll be sending my husband to the store in the morning.